Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Photoshop on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for Adobe. Then, get to the Creative Cloud page and it will take you to the official Adobe website. Here, click on the free trial button for the Creative Cloud and you will see 3 plans. Simply, choose the one that suits you. Now, Adobe offers a free trial for 7 days, along with 30 days free trial for Adobe stock. So select that option and click Continue. Enter your email address and proceed. Now, you will be asked for your debit or credit card information. If you provide these details, you will be charged after the 14-day trial period ends. Fill in the required details and click Agree and Subscribe. If prompted, enter the OTP to confirm. Once done, create your password. Next, open a new tab and search for Download Creative Cloud. Click on the first website. After installation, sign in using the same email address you used earlier. Once logged in, go to the Apps section. From there, locate Adobe Photoshop and click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can start using Photoshop on your PC. So that's basically how you can download Adobe Photoshop on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.